Good morning from Little San Domingo. I'm out here with James. Hello, James. And Ginger.
Hello.
And they're proud new owners of a GPX 6000 and a gold monster. And hopefully we'll get some gold today.
We will.
But he says we will. Check out that buggy. Woot, woot. Anyway, we're going to go head down here in the wash and maybe up on the hillsides a little bit, see if we can't get lucky today and get him tuned in on his machine and her on hers. So double work for me today, but I love it. I love every minute of it. So anyway, folks, I'll get back to you just as soon as something happens. We get a target, or we won't be hunting together, obviously, because of the noise the machines make, but we'll see how they do at the end of the day, and I'll show you how I do. So here we go. Alrighty, first target of the day. Sounds suspiciously like a BB. I have found gold here before, so you never know. It's down a little ways. That's always good. I already had the top scraped off. I always do that, you know that. Okay, we moved her already. Alright. Right in that dirt there. Yep. Let's see what it is. That sounds a little better, isn't it? I like the riffles in these scoops. It's gold. It normally holds it pretty good, but my scoops are pretty full of mud right now. Okay, let's see what we got. First target of the day. In my hand. And it's a BB, it looks like. Right there. Yep. I can almost tell by the sound on these guys now. Yep, I can. Well, off we go. You know, this is one of those most people walk away from. And the funny thing is, you think it's in the ground and start digging, but look right here. Hung up in the tree. Piece of wire. It's hung right up there in the tree. And we're gonna haul that out of here. And yeah, maybe somebody's detected here before and hung that up there to mess with the next guy by, who knows. Well, we got a target right here. I scraped the top off and it's still there. The reason I do that is I dig a lot of the BBs without filming, because it's just a waste of my time, and they're right on top. Generally it's a BB, but not always. Okay, this is moved. Right in here. Huh. Here maybe? Yep. Got it. Let's see what it is we got. That wobble wobble you're hearing is me getting too close with my headphones on. Move over here, you won't hear it. Okay, it's in my hand. Got a pretty good chirp to it. Sounds round though. Okay, it's one of these in here. What do we got? I don't see a BB yet. Well, maybe I do. Yep. Flattened out BB, it looks like, maybe. Huh. I don't know. I think so. Yeah, it's definitely not gold. Oh well, sounded good for a minute. We got a high-low target up under this, or low-high target right here. What that might be, I don't know. Shallow trash or a deep target, who knows? Sounds like I already moved it. That's not good. Yeah, it's gonna be junk. And we got it. I still have to look, even though I'm 99% sure, just because you never know. You never know. They can be laying right on top. But this one is a chunk of lead, maybe. Yep. Maybe not. Piece of iron? Oh, piece of a bullet. Copper jacket. Yeah. Well, how about that? I got tricked. I thought I was digging yet another BB. I've dug a bunch of them in there. But this BB, where'd it go? Is a gold BB. Ah! Let's see if we can find it in here. There it is. There it is, I think. Maybe. No. There it is. Right there. Look at that. That's a little piece of gold, my friends. Just a little bitty thing was laying right on top. Yeah, I'll take it. Hey, it's gold for the day, right? Yahoo! Now this target's literally right next to it. I was rechecking my hole, which I always do. Always a good idea, but listen. Another target right in here. Maybe in there somewhere. I thought that other one was going to be a BB. Watch, this will be a BB. Moved it. Think. Push the skirt back. Give it another listen. Right in here. We got it. Okay. Let's see what it is we got. Well, some people say they wouldn't bother those little nuggets, but I'll tell you something. They all add up. So I dig all these little soft targets, hoping it's a little piece of gold instead of just another BB. All right, it's in my hand here. And it's going to be a BB. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so right next to that little nugget is a little BB. It is what it is, but sounded about the same, didn't they? Well, we're on the other side of the bush now. I scraped the dirt off this faint target now. Sounds a lot like a BB, just like the other little nugget and the other BB. This one was flattened out. But right there. Nope. Okay, we got it. Sounds like a BB, doesn't it? That's what I'm saying. I do get tricked though. But looks like a piece of lead right there. Nope. That's a BB. Right there. If I'd have showed all those I dug today, it'd make your head spin. All right, we have a target in here by these fishhook cactus. It's not hard to see why they're named that. Sorry about the shadow, but yeah, you can see the fishhook shaped spines on them. But we got a signal right here, faint one. Where is it? Hear that? That's a faint signal. We're gonna dig that up. I'm gonna set this thing down. Alrighty, here we go. I'm gonna try not to hurt these plants. I really don't like disturbing the plant life much. Alright, I'm gonna get in there with a pick a little bit. Oh, sorry about that. This thing's so darn sensitive. Oh, it's not that rock. It might be that rock right there. I'm betting it is. There's a camera. Let's put the rock over here. Close quarters, it's hard to get away from everything that's sinking here. No, it's not the rock. I got it out of the hole with the rock. All right, let's see what it is. Sounds round. Hope not. Hope it's not that. Nope. What do we got here? It's one of these two things in my hand. And neither one of them look like gold. This guy right here. Nope. That. Okay, there's what it is. It's not gold. It's a little flattened out piece of lead. Ay, ay, ay. I found James, and I also got a target here. So he's honking me while I dig it. Sounds pretty good. I got a lot of dirt off, and it's down in the hard pack layer there, right on top of it. We like them when they're there. Could be trash, but pretty good chance it's going to be a small nugget. Uh-oh, we moved it. No, we didn't. I just buried it. It's right on that hard pack. So, it must have fallen down in the rocks here. We'll move a few of them and see what we got. Okay, we gotta locate it. Still down there. Falling down into the gravel here as I dig, I think. Pretty rough in here. We moved it that time. Right in here. You probably can't see that, huh? There you go. Right in here, and now sounding like a darn baby. Oh, maybe not. Da 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 da. Drum roll.
Nugget.
Come on, Nugget. Sure sounds good. Felt it hit my hand. It's either lead or gold. Oh no. Don't be a BB. Oh. Oh, I thought it was going to be that. But, lo and behold, I think I might have a BB. Yep, dang it. Ah, BB. Da 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 da. Yay. That was down deep, man.
Yeah,
5, 6 inches.
I thought it was a nugget.
I did too. Okay, well I dug lots of trash today, but also got gold. Ignore the 3 larger pieces. That little tiny one right there is the one I got today. But I'll take it. Those other 3 are from a couple days back or a few days back. I don't know. But there you go. So hey, I struggled today and dug a lot of trash. So if you like these videos, like, subscribe, ring the bell. Nugget Shooter out.